Without music, life would be a mistake. What does not kill me makes me stronger. In every real man, a child is hidden that wants to play. The higher we soar, the smaller we appear to those who cannot fly. Love is not consolation, it is light. And those who were seen dancing were thought to be insane by those who could not hear the music. There are no facts, only interpretations. In individuals, insanity is rare, but in groups, parties, nations, and epochs, it is the rule. I cannot believe in a God who wants to be praised all the time. The lonely one offers his hand to quickly to whomever he encounters. The surest way to corrupt a youth is to instruct him, to hold in higher esteem those who think alike than those who think differently. You have your way, I have my way. As for the right way, the correct way, and the only way, it does not exist. One must still have chaos in oneself to be able to give birth to a dancing star. There are no beautiful surfaces without a terrible depth. It is not a lack of love, but a lack of friendship that makes unhappy marriages. The best weapon against an enemy is another enemy. In truth, there was only one Christian, and he died on the cross. All I need is a sheet of paper and something to write with, and then I can turn the world upside down. The future influences the present just as much as the past. Is life not 1,000 times too short for us to bore ourselves? When we are tired, we are attacked by ideas we conquered long ago. There is always some madness in love, but there is also always some reason in madness. All great thoughts are conceived while walking. Faith, not wanting to know what the truth is. The higher the type, the rarer it appears. The snake that cannot cast its skin has to die, as well the minds which are prevented from changing their opinions, they cease to be mind. The advantage of a bad memory is that one enjoys several times the same good things for the first time. In heaven, all the interesting people are missing. The world is beautiful, but has a disease called man. Silence is worse. All truths that are kept silent become poisonous. The essence of all beautiful art is gratitude. Art is the proper task of life. Talking much about oneself can also be a means to conceal oneself. There are two different types of people in the world, those who want to know and those who want to believe.